Hello friends, my name is Mudassir Manzoor and I welcome you all in this new initiative of Target Computer Awareness that is going to help you in banking, SSC, GKSSB, GCNet, Police, Railway and in other state level recruitment exams. And here you can see some special features of this series. It include chapter wise discussion notes forum, chapter wise question bank with each chapter wise collection of previous year questions including with 5 practice sets. So this is going to be most important section for you people that will help you in bank, PO clerk, SSC, GKSS, GCNet, Police, Railway and in other state level exams. And through this entire series we are going to cover almost all the syllabus. और मैं स्टूडेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि वो रिवाइज करे ईच चैप्टर ईच पार्ट एट लीस्ट ट्वाइस एंड दे कैन आल्सो प्रैक्टिस MCQs PYQs एज वेल बिफोर देयर एग्जामिनेशन। इसके अलावा मैं आपको ऑल्सो बता दूं, अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड फॉर PDF यू कैन ज्वाइन दी टेलीग्राम ग्रुप। अदरवाइज अगर आपको कोई क्वेरी डाउट या अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो देन आप मुझे ऑल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल। एंड अर्लियर हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है MCQ PYQ set one of this chapter in which we had discussed at least 20 questions that are important from your exam point of view। अगर आपने अभी तक उस वीडियो को नहीं देखा, वीडियो इज़ अवेलेबल देयर, आप जाके उस वीडियो को ऑल्सो देख सकते हैं। एंड टुडे दिस विल बी आवर सेकंड सेट, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 21। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज in HTML tags consists of keywords enclosed within. This question had been already asked in SSC CHSL 2013. Your options are 1 flower brackets, 2 angular brackets, 3 parentheses and 4 square brackets. Here the correct answer is option 2 angular brackets. Let's see an explanation. In HTML that is hypertext markup language, जो tags होते हैं these are the keywords जो कि enclose होते हैं within angular brackets. Like you can see here examples like HTML head body P and A. So ये जो keywords हैं these are enclosed within these angular brackets. And जो हमारा option 2 है that is our correct answer. Now let's see next question. The question is Telnet is a. This question had been already asked in SSC CHSL 2012. Your options are 1 search engine, 2 browser, 3 protocol and 4 gateway. Here the correct answer is option 3 protocol. Explanation. Telnet जो है इट्स ए नेटवर्क प्रोटोकॉल जिसको स्पेसिफिकली यूज़ किया जाता है टू एक्सेस रिमोट कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स ओवर ए TCP/IP लाइक द इंटरनेट, जो कि प्रोवाइड करते हैं आल्सो कमांड लाइन इंटरफेस टू यूजर्स सो दैट दे कैन इजीली इंटरेक्ट विद दीज रिमोट सर्वर्स। है ना, जो हमारा ऑप्शन 3 है दैट इज अवर करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द क्वेश्चन इज द डैश डैश सर्विस अलाउस ए ग्रुप ऑफ इंटरनेट यूजर्स टू एक्सचेंज देयर व्यूज ऑन सम कॉमन टॉपिक। योर ऑप्शंस आर 1 NIC net, 2 MIL net, 3 TEL net and 4 Usenet. Here the correct answer is option 4 Usenet. Explanation. जो Usenet है it is a worldwide distributed discussion system which is available on almost all the computers and ये allow करते हैं users को to post and read messages, articles or posts in news groups that are organized topic wise. And here जो users हैं they also exchange their views, they ask questions and they also share information on a wide range of subjects within these news groups. ठीक है, let's also talk about other options like option 1 NIC net जो है that is National Informatics Center Network. It is incorrect because it is basically a wide area network in used in India, especially it is used by the Indian government and other organizations for data communication, and it is also used for e-governance applications, but it is not any kind of a service available for general internet users. Then option 2 MIC net, that is military network. It is also incorrect because जो MIC net है it was originally a part of ARPANET and इसको specifically use किया जाता था for non-classified military communications, so it is not also a general public forum for exchange views. देन ऑप्शन 3 टेलनेट जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज एज वी हैड डिस्कस्ड जो टेलनेट है इट इज़ नेटवर्क प्रोटोकॉल जो कि अलो करता है यूजर्स को टू लॉग इन इनटू रिमोट कंप्यूटर्स एंड टू एग्जीक्यूट कमांड्स. However, it also fosters communication, but it is primarily used for remote system administration, but not for the discussions for group users to exchange their views on specific topics. Hence, जो हमारा option 4 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is, which protocol provides email facility among different hosts? This question had been already asked in RBI Grade B 2014. Your options are 1 SMTP, 2 FTP, 3 Telnet, 4 SNMP and 5 none of these. Here the correct answer is option 1 SMTP. Explanation. SMTP जो है stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol and it is a standard protocol जिसको specifically use किया जाता है to send email between mail servers on the internet. Like जब हम email भेजते हैं to our friend, जो हमारा email client है that basically use SMTP protocol to forward that mail to the recipient or friend's mail server. ठीक है. Let's also see why other options are incorrect. Like option 2 FTP जो है that is file transfer protocol, it is incorrect because जो FTP है इसको यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर ट्रांसफरिंग फाइल्स बिटवीन कंप्यूटर्स. देन ऑप्शन 3 टेलनेट जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू कि जो टेलनेट है इट इज़ अ नेटवर्क प्रोटोकॉल जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है टू एक्सेस रिमोट कंप्यूटर सिस्टम थ्रू कमांड लाइन इंटरफेस. देन ऑप्शन 4 SNMP जो है दैट इज़ सिंपल नेटवर्क मैनेजमेंट प्रोटोकॉल, इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज इसको स्पेसिफिकली यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर मैनेजिंग नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस. एंड ऑप्शन 5 नन ऑफ दीज जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज SMTP जो है उसको स्पेसिफिकली डिज़ाइन किया गया है फॉर ईमेल ट्रांसमिशन. है ना, जो हमारा ऑप्शन 1 है दैट इज़ आवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज what is the full form of VoIP? This question had been already asked in Clerk Maze 2017. Your options are 1 Voice of Internet Power, 2 Voice over Internet Protocol, 3 Voice on Internet Protocol and 4 Very Optimized Internet Protocol. Here the correct answer is option 2 Voice over Internet Protocol. Explanation. VoIP जो है stands for Voice over Internet Protocol एंड ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी है इट अलाउ यूजर्स टू मेक वीडियो कॉल्स वॉइस कॉल्स बाय यूजिंग ए ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्शन रादर देन एनालॉग सिग्नल्स और फोन लाइंस. एंड ये जो VoIP है इट कन्वर्ट्स आवर वॉइस इनटू डिजिटल डेटा जिसको फर्दर ट्रांसमिट किया जाता है ओवर ऑन द इंटरनेट. है ना, जो हमारा ऑप्शन 2 है दैट इज़ आवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट अस प्रोसीड टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज which of the following protocols is used to receive email? This question had been already asked in UP SSSC 2019. Your options are 1 SMTP, 2 HTTP, 3 FTP and 4 POP3. Here the correct answer is option 4 POP3. Explanation. POP3 जो है stands for Post Office Protocol version 3 and it is an application layer इंटरनेट स्टैंडर्ड प्रोटोकॉल जिसको यूज़ करते हैं ईमेल क्लाइंट्स टू रिसीव ईमेल फ्रॉम ए मेल सर्वर. ठीक है. लेट्स आल्सो सी व्हाई अदर ऑप्शंस आर इनकरेक्ट. लाइक ऑप्शन 1 SMTP जो है इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज एज वी हैड डिस्कस्ड ये जो प्रोटोकॉल है इसको स्पेसिफिकली यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर सेंडिंग ईमेल रादर देन रिसीविंग इट. देन ऑप्शन 2 HTTP जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज ये जो प्रोटोकॉल है इसको यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर ट्रांसफरिंग files or web pages on the world wide web and it is also not used for email reception. Then option 3 FTP जो है it's also incorrect because as we had discussed जो FTP protocol है इसको specifically use किया जाता है for transferring files between the computers rather than for receiving email. Therefore जो POP3 है it is a protocol जिसको प्राइमरली यूज़ किया करते हैं ईमेल क्लाइंट्स टू रिसीव मेल्स फ्रॉम ए मेल सर्वर. एंड देयर इज़ आल्सो अनदर प्रोटोकॉल जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर रिसीविंग ईमेल दैट इज़ IMAP दैट इज़ इंटरनेट मैसेज एक्सेस प्रोटोकॉल जो कि also allow करते हैं users को to access and to manage their emails on their server without downloading them. However, जो POP3 है, it is one of the major protocol जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है for email reception. And जो हमारा option 4 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us move to another question. The question is, the internet service that provides a multimedia interface to available resources is called, your options are 1 FTP, 2 World Wide Web, 3 Telnet, and 4 Gopher. Here the correct answer is option 2 World Wide Web. Let's see an explanation. World Wide Web or जो web है, it is a system of interconnected hypertext documents and other resources जिनको एक्सेस किया जाता है थ्रू द इंटरनेट, जो कि ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड करते हैं रिच मल्टीमीडिया इंटरफेस। मीन्स ये अलो करता है यूजर्स को टू इंटरेक्ट विद टेक्स्ट्स, इमेजेस, ऑडियो, वीडियो एंड अदर फॉर्म्स ऑफ कंटेंट थ्रू वेब ब्राउजर्स। ठीक है, लेट्स ऑल्सो सी वाई द ऑप्शंस आर इनकरेक्ट। लाइक ऑप्शन 1 FTP जो है, इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज एज यू नो जो FTP है इसको स्पेसिफिकली यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर transferring files between computers. However, it is also an internet service, but it does not provide any kind of multimedia interface for browsing resources. Then option 3 Telnet जो है, it is also incorrect because as we had discussed जो Telnet है, it provides command line interface for accessing remote computer systems, and it is a text based interface which does not provide any multimedia experience for general resource browsing. Then option 4 Gopher जो है, is also incorrect because it is basically an earlier information receiving system जो कि present करते थे information को in a hierarchical menu, like in a hierarchical menu of files and directories, and it also need web to function, but it is also a part of it is also a text-based interface which also lacks the rich multimedia capabilities. Therefore, जो World Wide Web है, it is a internet service जो कि provide करते हैं multimedia interface to available resources. And जो हमारा option 2 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us proceed to next question. The question is, the dash dash used an addressing scheme known as URL indicate the location of files on the web. This question had been already asked in SSC CGL 2017. Your options are 1 JavaScript, 2 World Wide Web, 3 SQL, and 4 string. I think this is an easy question for you. I think you will mark it rightly. Here the correct answer is option 2 World Wide Web. Let's see an explanation. जो World Wide Web है, it use an addressing system that we known as URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator, to indicate the location of files and other resources on the web. And it is basically an address of the resource on the internet, and it also provides a standard way to find and access resources. ठीक है, and जो हमारा option 2 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us see next question. The question is, the www is made up of set of interconnected dash dash that are linked together over on the internet. I think this is an easy question. Your options are 1 electronic documents, 2 web pages, 3 files, and 4 all of the above. Here the correct answer is option 4 all of the above. Explanation. So World Wide Web है, it is made up of set of interconnected electronic documents. जो electronic documents है, these are the fundamental units of information on the web. Then web pages जो है, these are the specific types of electronic documents that are written in HTML, और इनको हम व्यू कर सकते हैं, इनको हम देख सकते हैं on the web browsers. And files like जो websites हैं, they contain various types of files including HTML documents, images, videos, audio files, scripts, and more that are linked together. Therefore, जो www है, it include all these interconnected elements that are linked together over on the internet. And जो हमारा option 4 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is, what is a website? This question had been already asked in RBI Grade B 2014. Your options are 1 a place where we can get information in documents and files, 2 a site that is owned by any particular company. 3. A location on the World Wide Web. 4. A place from where we can access internet. And 5. None of the above. Here the correct answer is option 3. A location on the World Wide Web. Explanation. Website जो है it is a collection of related web pages, images, videos and other digital assets जिनको host और जिनको store किया जा सकता है on one or more web servers and जिनको also users visit कर सकते हैं through using an unique domain name. So website जो है it is a collection of web pages under one domain name available on the internet. ठीक है. Let's also talk about other options like option 1, a place where we can get information in documents and files. It is incorrect because जो website है that is much more than that. As we had discussed, जो website है it is a collection of web pages and digital resources that are linked together. So providing an information is one of the function of a website, but it also include online shopping, social interaction, services sharing, multimedia. So हम access कर सकते हैं website. हाँ हम कह सकते हैं कि जो website है it is a collection of web pages, multimedia and interactivity rather than a document. Then option 2, site, a site that is owned by any particular company. It's also incorrect because बहुत सारी companies जो है they do have their own websites and individuals, organization and governments जो है they also own websites. So ये जो ownership है it varies, but it is not what makes something a website. Then option 4, a place from where we can access internet. It's also incorrect because जो website है it is a destination on the internet rather than a tool or point of access to the internet. So to access any website we only need internet and internet connection and web browser. And option 5, none of the above जो है it is also incorrect because option 3 जो है हमारा that is correct है ना. जो हमारा option 3 है that is our correct answer. The next question, the question is, a website address is a unique name that identifies a specific dash dash on the web. Your options are 1, web browser, 2, website, 3, PDA and 4, link. Here the correct answer is option 2, website. Let's see an explanation. Website address जो है it is also known as URL और domain name and it is a unique name जो कि identify करते हैं specific websites को on the world wide web. And ये जो address है this address also allow users to locate and to access collection of web pages and related files. And जो हमारा option 2 है that is our correct answer. Now let's move to another question. The question is, a dash dash appearing on the web pages opens another document when clicked. This question had been already asked in SPIPO 2013. Your options are 1, anchor, 2, URL, 3, hyperlink, 4, reference and 5, heading. Here the correct answer is option 3, hyperlink. Let's see an explanation. Hyperlink जो है it is nothing but an element or link within an electronic document. और जब हम क्लिक या एक्टिवेट करते हैं on it basically opens another document or different part of the same document, and this is also a fundamental mechanism for navigating the world wide web. ठीक है. Let's also talk about other options like option 1, anchor जो है is incorrect because in HTML जो anchor है it basically creates hyperlinks and it is also a specific point within the document that hyperlink can link to, and it is not any kind of clickable element that opens another document. Then option 2, URL जो है that is uniform resource locator. It is also incorrect because जो URL है it is an address of a resource on the web, and hyperlink जो है it also include URL, but जो URL है itself it is an address rather than a clickable element. Then option 4, reference जो है it is also incorrect because reference जो है in general it means pointing to other information, but on the web जब हम क्लिक करते हैं on the text, image or button to open any document, page or resource, जो proper technical term है that is hyperlink or simply link. And option 5, heading जो है is also incorrect because जो heading है इसको basically use किया जाता है to structure the content of web page, and it does not also open any document when clicked. Hence जो हमारा ऑप्शन 3 है दैट इज और करेक्ट आंसर. Now let us see next question. The question is a reference to data that reader can directly follow by selecting or hovering is. As just we had talked about it, I think this is an easy question. Your options are 1 hypertext, 2 hyperlink, 3 hypermedia, and 4 hypermarkup. Here the correct answer is also option 2 hyperlink. Explanation. As just we had discussed, जो hyperlink है it is a clickable reference in a digital document, like it can be text or an image button. जब हम क्लिक करते हैं और जब हम टैप करते हैं on it, it take us to the another place, like inside the same document to a different document or to an external resource. ठीक है. Let us also talk about other options like option 1 hypertext जो है it is incorrect because hypertext जो है it is a system of linked text itself and it is also a way of organizing and presenting text so that जो certain words, phrases or sections है that are to be connected to other documents or sections through hyperlinks. And hyperlink जो है it is a specific clickable reference inside the hypertext that take us to the another location. Then option 3 hypermedia जो है it is also incorrect because जो hypermedia है it is an extension of hypertext that does not only link text but also images, audios, videos and animations in an interactive way. So hypermedia जो है it is a broader term and hyperlink जो है it is a specific reference being used for. And option 4 hypermarkup जो है it is also incorrect because it's not a standard term used in computing or web technologies. However, जो markup languages हैं like HTML they use tags to define the structure and content of a document, including the creation of hyperlinks. And hypermarkup जो है it is not the name of any clickable element. Therefore hyperlink जो है it is a specific reference to data जो कि रीडर डायरेक्टली फॉलो करते हैं बाय सिलेक्टिंग और hovering. है ना जो हमारा ऑप्शन 2 है दैट इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let's see next question. The question is a website is a collection of, as just we had discussed it, I think this is also an easy question. This question had been already asked in IBPS Cleric 2012. Your options are 1 graphics, 2 programs, 3 algorithms, 4 web pages and 5 charts. Here the correct answer is option 4 web pages. Explanation. Website जो है it is a collection of related web pages that are to be organized under a single domain name और जिनको एक्सेस किया जा सकता है on the world wide web. और ये जो web pages हैं these web pages contain text, graphics, programs and other multimedia elements and इसके जो core building blocks हैं that are it is individual web pages. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है that is our correct answer. Now next question. The question is dash dash is a collection of web pages and dash dash is the very first page that we seen on opening of website. Your options are 1 home page web page, 2 website home page, 3 web page home page, 4 web page website and 5 none of the above. Here the correct answer is option 2 website and home page. Explanation. As we had discussed जो website है it is a collection of related web pages और जो home page है it is the very first page जो कि appear होता है जो कि हम देखते हैं when we open the website. And ये जो page है this page also acts as a main entry point and it also provides navigation to other pages within the site. And जो हमारा option 2 है that is our correct answer. Now let us move to next question. The question is a browser is a. This question had been already asked in RBI grade B 2013. Your options are 1 tool for creating a database, 2 software program to view web pages on the internet, 3 printing device, 4 software program to delete a folder and 5 none of the above. Here the correct answer is option 2 software program to view web pages on the internet. Let's see an explanation. वेब ब्राउज़र जो है इट इज़ ए सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लीकेशन जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है टू एक्सेस प्रेजेंट एंड टू ट्रेवर्स इंफॉर्मेशन रिसोर्सेज ऑन द वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब. and it also intercepts the HTML, that is hypertext markup language, and other markup languages that are used to create web pages and to display the content to the user. And example जो है web browser के, that includes Chrome, Firefox, Safari and Edge. And जो हमारा option 2 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is Conference, Netscape, NetMeeting, Internet Explorer, Enablers. You have to choose the option that best describes this question. This question had been already asked in RBI grade B 2012. Your options are 1. Sharing voice on the net. 2. Live textual conferencing. 3. Live audio conferencing. And 4. Live real-time conferencing. Here the correct answer is option 4. Live real-time conferencing. Explanation. Both Netscape Conference and Microsoft NetMeeting जो है, these are the first generation real time conferencing applications जिनको create किया गया during mid 1990s. and ये जो conferencing applications है, these are not just limited to text or voice chat, but they also include all in one communication tool जो कि ऑफर करते हैं लाइव ऑडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग, जो कि अलो करते हैं पार्टिसिपेंट्स को टू स्पीक एंड टू हियर ईच अदर्स इन रियल टाइम. देन लाइव टेक्सचुअल कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग जो कि ऑल्सो प्रमोट करते हैं रियल टाइम टेक्स्ट बेस्ड कम्युनिकेशन. देन वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग जो कि ऑल्सो अलो करते हैं पार्टिसिपेंट्स को टू सी ईच अदर इन रियल टाइम. देन एप्लीकेशन शेयरिंग जो कि ऑल्सो अलो करते हैं पार्टिसिपेंट्स को टू शेयर देयर डेस्कटॉप और स्पेसिफिक एप्लीकेशन. सिमिलरली वाइट बोर्ड collaboration जो कि also provide करते हैं sharing drawing space for real time collaboration. Therefore जो live real time conferencing applications हैं, these have all of these capabilities which makes this option most accurate and comprehensive description. है ना, जो हमारा option 4 है, that is our correct answer. Now next question, the question is to view information on the web, you must have a. This question had been already asked in RBI grade B 2012. Your options are 1. Cable modem. 2. Web browser. 3. Domain name server. 4. Hypertext viewer. And 5. None of these. Here the correct answer is option 2. Web browser. Explanation. In order to view any information on the World Wide Web, we only need a web browser and internet connection. And web browser जो है, it is a software application जो कि intercept करते हैं, जो कि समझती है HTML and other codes को, and that further displays the content to us in a user friendly format. And जो example है web browser के, that includes Chrome, Firefox, Safari and Edge. ठीक है. Let's also talk about other options like option 1. केबल मोडेम जो है, इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो केबल मोडेम है, इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ हार्डवेयर जो कि प्रोवाइड करते हैं इंटरनेट एक्सेस ओवर ऑन दी केबल टेलीविजन लाइन्स, और जो कि ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड करते हैं कनेक्शन, बट दे डज नॉट डिस्प्ले वेब पेजेस और एनी काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. देन ऑप्शन 3 डोमेन नेम सर्वर जो है, इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो डोमेन नेम सर्वर है ट्रांसलेट्स वेबसाइट्स नेम इनटू आईपी एड्रेस जो कि कंप्यूटर्स फर्दर समझते हैं. एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो ए क्रूशल part of the internet infrastructure rather than we directly use it to view web pages. Then option 4 hypertext viewer जो है, it is also incorrect because जो web browsers हैं, they also act as a hypertext viewer जो कि interpret करते हैं HTML को, but जो most common और specific term है for this software that we use for this purpose is a web browser. And option 5 none of these जो है, it's also incorrect because option 2 web browsers जो है, that is our correct answer. Hence जो हमारा option 2 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is which key on the Windows keyboard sets to full screen mode in most web browsers? This question had been already asked in RRB NTPC 2016. Your options are A F1, 2 B F10, C F11 and D F2. You have to choose your correct answer from the given codes below. 1D, 2B, 3A and 4C. Here the correct answer is option 4, C, that is F11. Explanation. F11 की जो है ऑन विंडोज़ कीबोर्ड इट इज़ अ स्टैंडर्ड शॉर्टकट जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है टू सेट मोस्ट वेब ब्राउजर्स टू फुल स्क्रीन मोड एंड बाय प्रेसिंग दिस की अगेन इट एग्जिट्स द फुल स्क्रीन मोड। ठीक है, एंड जो हमारा ऑप्शन 4 है दैट इज अवर करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस सेशन। द क्वेश्चन इज इन अ वेब ब्राउजर which of the following is used to save frequently visited websites? This question had been already asked in RRB and EPC 2016. Your options are 1 A history, B task manager, C favorites, and D save as. And you have to choose your option from the given course below: 1A, 2B, 3C, and 4D. Here the correct answer is option 3C, that is favorites. Explanation: इन वेब ब्राउजर्स जो फेवरेट्स हैं इट इज़ दीज आर आल्सो कॉल्ड एज बुक मार्क्स एंड ये जो फीचर है इसको स्पेसिफिकली यूज़ किया जाता है टू सेव फ्रीक्वेंटली विजिटेड वेबसाइट्स फॉर क्विक एंड ईजी एक्सेस इन फ्यूचर। लेट्स ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक ऑप्शन ए हिस्ट्री जो है इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो हिस्ट्री फीचर है इट बेसिकली स्टोर or it store the records of all the websites that we have visited recently और ये हमें यूज़फुल देखने को मिलते हैं for finding a site that we visit previously, but it's not used for saving frequently accessed files. Then option B task manager जो है it is also incorrect because जो task manager है it is a system monitor program जो कि provide करते हैं हमें information about the processes and applications that runs on the computer as well as also about their performance, and it has nothing to do with saving websites in a browser. And option D save as जो है it's also incorrect because save as function जो है in a web browser it allow users to save current web pages as a file on computer, and it's not any kind of shortcut or link to the website within a browser for easy future access. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है that is our correct answer. सो गाइज दैट इज़ इट फॉर टुडे। आई होप आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा। अगर कहीं पे डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखें या आप मुझे मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल, एंड फॉर PDF यू कैन ज्वाइन द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो मी ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स। सो दैट इज़ इट फॉर टुडे। I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Dark channel. Thank you for watching.